Let us start by drawing the diagrams. We'll do all potential diagrams that we can draw for these statements and see whether the conclusions hold true. All vanity bags are rocking chairs. So all vanity bags rocking chairs. Then no rocking chair is a sit out. No rocking chair is a sit out. There is no connection. Then some sit outs are rolling pins. Some sit outs are rolling pins. Rolling pins. And some masks are rocking chairs. Some masks are rocking chairs. Okay, so this is diagram 1. Diagram 2, I can draw it this way. All vanity bags are rocking chairs. I can only draw. Okay, let us draw for the other potential drawings also. All vanity bags are rocking chairs. Now, no rocking chair is a sit out. That too I have to draw in this way only. So these two statements I can only draw in one way. All rocking chairs, no rocking chair is a sit out. Okay, no rocking chair is a sit out. So this is not possible. It's the only way to draw it. Now some sit outs are rolling pins. So I can do it like this. Some sit outs are rolling pins. That is one way. The other way is to say some sit outs are rolling pins. The third is probably the same here. Sit outs are rolling pins. So that is also taken care of. These three are done. Now some masks are rocking chairs. So some masks are rocking chairs. I can draw it this way. This is mass. So this is rocking chair, right? This is rock. This inside one is rock. What is written as R is rocks. Okay. Some masks are rocking chairs. You can also draw it like this. Because some masks are rocking chairs. There are other masks which are not rocking chairs. So I can draw it this way as well. Or I can do some masks are rocking chairs. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 diagrams possible. Let me see these three conclusions, where do they hold? So conclusion 1, 2, 3, drawings 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see conclusion 1. So these conclusions have the word possibility, so they only need to be true in one drawing. Okay, one or more. Even if it is true in one, this conclusion is valid. All sit outs being mass is a possibility. Let us look at conclusion 1 in diagram 1. All sit outs being mass is a possibility? No. All sit outs. Okay, let us look at this. All sit outs being mass is true here. All sit outs are mass. So I have true here. Hence this conclusion is already true. I don't have to look at diagrams 3 and 4. You can look at diagram 3 and 4 for practice. In diagrams 3 and 4 also it is true. In 4 it is not true. So it is true in 2. Even if it was true in 1, this conclusion would be valid. So conclusion 1 follows. So I have this and this all automatically eliminated. Now all mass being rolling pin is a possibility. All mass being rolling pin, here it is not true. All mass being rolling pin, here it is not true. Some mass are rolling pins. All rolling pins are mass in diagram 2. All mass being rolling pin is not true. All mass being rolling pin, here also it is not true. But look at it here. All mass being rolling pin is possible here. Okay, all mass are rolling pins. Hence, this 2 is possible. Okay, 1 and 2. So just with this, you should have ticked option 2, because one option is only 1 follows. The third option is only 1 and 3 follows. When you have gotten 1 and 2 correct, you should have ticked all follows and moved on. But since we are solving, let us look at whether conclusion 3 also follows. No sit out is a vanity bag. Here, no sit out is a vanity bag. No sit out is a vanity bag. No sit out is a vanity bag, and then no sit out is a vanity bag. So we have true in all the drawings. See, there is no possibility here, so it has to be true in all the drawings, which is the case here. So all three conclusions are valid. All follows.